Hey guys, I'm back again, another unboxing, and it's only been a few minutes since I unboxed the guitar, and still wearing the same shirt. Believe it or not, I've only had this shirt on for about an hour, even though it looks like I've had it on for 4 weeks or whatever, however long it takes for these videos to get posted. But this right here is the amp that I bought for the bass guitar, for the one that I did the last video in. The G&L Fallout short scale bass, tangerine metallic, just as long as I don't mess around and bump it, put a big scratch in it before I get a chance to play it. But anyway, that's the guitar, and so now I've got the amp. I went out and picked this amp up yesterday. I went to a couple stores and checked online, and amps are just like everything else. They're hard to find right now. And I got a pretty good deal on this one. This goes to the shout out to More Music and Corey. Corey, I thank you a lot because you've definitely helped me out on this and answered any questions that I've had. And so this here is the Fender Rumble 200 watt. I'll have to get it open before I remember what all it is, because it's the Fender Rumble amp is what it is. I know it's a 200 watt amp, so let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. And I know it's probably just going to be as funny as my last one because I had to wrestle with that guitar to get it out. So if it's that bad on this, I'll probably speed on through or edit it out. But I've already got the top of it ripped open because whenever I was carrying it, I grabbed hold of the top and it ripped open. So like I said, I got this up high, so it's probably going to be funny watching me try to pull this thing out of here. That way. And there she is, the front of it. It's a, so you can see it. Okay, that's what the front looks like. The top, okay. And I will take the camera and zoom in on the buttons here in just a little bit, but right there. And then the back of it. Like I said, this is not going to be a demo or review, but it's more of an unboxing. But it's got the places where you can do your auxiliary, like for your phone. If you're going to do, say you're playing something that you're wanting to, a song that you want to play along to, plug it in there, put your headphones in, put them on, play the music, and play along with your bass. Line out, this right here. He told me that's where you plug it into your PA system, and then while you're playing on this, it goes to the PA system and your effects loop right here. And so anyway, that's my unboxing for the bass. My shout out to Sweetwater, American Musical Supply, and More Music or More Guitars in Evansville, Indiana. And thanks, Corey, for the input on the amp. I appreciate it. So until next time, see y'all later. Bye.